What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, where today we'll discuss the best budget office chair of 2023, according to their performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Best overall, Modway EEI 757BLK. This ergonomic mesh office chair is a lumbar support height adjustable desk chair made with an articulate mesh material. These home office chairs include tilt tension and lock functions to recline and also incline comfortably. The height adjustment allows you to manipulate its back height to help you find the most comfortable position. These office chairs are ergonomic mesh office chairs that feature reliable supports for your back and comfort for long hours, as long as you can stay under the weight requirement of 331 pounds. The chair will easily support just about any position that makes you feel comfortable. Makers of the seat are designed with productivity and comfort in mind. These chairs include a 6-inch thick and padded seat cushions that allows for comfortable seating. One of the things that pops out when you look at this desk chair is the different levers that it's got underneath the seat cushion. You can bring the seat height anywhere from 34 to 39 inches, and as for the armrest height, you can also shift between 27.5 to 23 inches. This office chair goes for $150, making it pocket-friendly and a great option for a first-time buyer. Best ergonomic, Flash Furniture Kelista. This design is very well modern and quite stylish. It suits into any office space and easily elevates it. It looks pretty good in your home thanks to the modern style and the black leather and mesh. The build construction feels very heavy duty when sitting in its black mesh-backed chair, without being too heavy as well. The lumbar support on this task chair is not adjustable, but it works and feels great. You can adjust the height and tilt tension with the adjustment lever, but it needs more adjustable features to accommodate bigger people. It has flip-up armrests, but that's it, and the seat is not adjustable. The chair is very comfortable and takes the weight off your joints and back. It is great for long work hours at the computer desk, playing video games, or playing with your gadgets. Compared to the BestOffice stability chair, which could mean the difference between a slouched back and an active, engaged core to improve alertness and concentration on tasks. This is going to be for people of average size and height, though since the lack of adjustable features means that big people can't get a comfy fit. If you're an average size and weight, this is your perfect budget ergonomic swivel task chair. It may not have high-end features, but it works. Best task chair, Boss Office Chair. This is simple, affordable, and easy to assemble that has an adjustable armrest and is available in 3 colors. The one key feature missing on this chair is the tilt function, and this means you won't be able to tilt the seat back. There are no lumbar supports that you can expect to get from this Boss Office chair. It's not adapted in any way for the user with a back problem. However, it does come with an ergonomic backrest, and this will help you cultivate and maintain the perfect postures with continued use. The thickly padded seats and padded backrest on the black chair make it quite comfortable to sit on itself. And while we do wish that the chairs came with a padded armrest, we are at least happy that the armrest is really adjustable. The seat cushions on this chair take up a waterfall seat design. This is essential because it encourages blood flow to your legs, helping you stay seated for longer. The pneumatic gas lift allows you to raise or lower the seat height on this chair, with its lowest point being 18.5 inches and the highest being 23.5 inches. There is a substantial amount of assembly required for this chair, but it would only take about 15 minutes tops to put together, and you wouldn't even need any additional tools to do so. Its double wheel casters also help it roll smoothly over the floor, and its seat back can also be customized for depth and height. Best Space Saving, Hbada. This ergonomic office chair has many features that high-end chairs have, but at a highly affordable price tag. With the breathable mesh fabrics, height adjustment, 155-degree recline, and an impressive design not common in less expensive models, the chair comfortably suits any home office or workspace. This has an adjustable height ranging from 48.8 inches to 44 inches and adjustable seats. Unfortunately, the seat heights can only be adjusted on the height back version and not the regular version. The chair reclines to an impressive 155 degree, which is said to be perfect for your spine shape. So try it out and see what you think. Its high back desk chair versions both come with a breathable mesh fabric that works in tandem to try and reduce back pain that can begin in your lower back. The built-in padding support system also offers fantastic neck and lumbar support. It's also strikingly designed because of the use of white against the black mesh and seat cushion. The high back versions of the chair are great choices for mesh office chair, especially if you're on a budget to buy. But in comparisons with other office chairs, this does use some cheaper building material, and this is all to keep the cost down. Best Executive Chair, BestOffice. If working continuously gives you back pain, this is designed to make you reduce lasting pains with its features and comfortable design. This product focuses on comfort and gives you the right amount of relaxation while working with its padded backrest and cushions, thus improving your posture. The chair is ergonomically made for a stylish look and with its soft PU leather that is also oil and water resistant. The product can be adjusted to the required height while accommodating your needs, and its 360-degree swivel wheels make you no need to stand up from the chair to grab a coffee or documents from your college. It can measure 20 inches wide, 20 inches depth, and the seat height can achieve 19 inches to 23 inches while the backrest measures 20 inches wide by 28 inches high.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.